Now, mornings, usually when the kids are younger, has been the most stressful time. Got 4 kids, right? So 3 of them girls, and so getting everybody's hair done and it's getting somebody out of the door and catching the bus on time. A stressful time. In the midst of just the hustle and bustle of the morning and needing to get out the door, I was walking down the steps and my daughter was sitting down on that bottom step there, and I was walking past her, and then I just felt something, and I took a breath, and then I sat down next to her, and I says, "Hey, sweetie," I said, what's wrong? She looks at me, she goes, "Papa," she goes, "I miss my friends." I looked down at her, and then I said, "Me too." And we shared a moment there that I would never forget. And there's power through presence and just being there. And we just sat there, shed a couple tears, and had a moment. I will never forget that. The power of presence to just notice what we notice, feel what we feel, and just have a pause to feel those feelings.